This is the Xiaomi Mi Band 8 Smart Band in always-on ambient mode. Twist it, bring it up into its watch face, of which there's several, and you've got an awesome-looking AMOLED screen sports watch with hardness to ATM5, waterproofing, and all sorts of other goodies. You got last night's sleep time information, charts on that. You can activate heart rate. You can change these cards any way you want to, weather in whatever city you're interested in, a music player. You've got Alipay and you've got Wexen Pay. Of course, they only work in China, so probably won't work outside of there. You got some different controls that you can do, and then you're back to your time. Swipe this way and you get into all of the different things like your step count, your workouts, of which there's 150 of them, activities from your workouts. You got running separately. You got your overall status for training load, VO2 max. You've got heart rate and vitality measurements in this one. You've got blood oxygen, last night's sleep, stress, which is heart rate variability, weather again, alarms, Alipay, there's your Wexen Pay, basic settings, and even more, which includes events, alerts, breathing, your relaxation. Ladies, your cycle information is in here. You've got a stopwatch that runs in the background, mind you, and you've got a music player, find your phone, world clocks that you can set whatever city you'd like to show up on those. You can silence your phone and use it as a remote camera. Countdown timers, a really nice bright AMOLED illuminated flashlight, works really good, and an overall thing called focus that you can set the time, pew, and then just go off and focus. All in all, it's a really sweet band. It's got a variety of different watch faces in it and custom ones that you can download from a store in the Tethering app, like this fun one here. And of course, they all have their ambient component when it goes into the always screen mode. It's very lightweight, very simple band, easy to operate, and it's available now. It's the Xiaomi Mi Band 8. Check it out.